Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. The warmth of a family room, the image of flickering light, the sound and smell of crackling wood. Our senses awaken with the magic of a fireplace. For more than 50 years, Stoll Industries has provided high-quality products and industry-leading customer service to their growing network of dealers since developing the first fireplace screen for their homes. Based in Abbeville, South Carolina, Stoll was built on a firm foundation of integrity, innovation, and a reputation for building long-standing relationships with their partners. The Stoll family has worked hard to build a competitive metalworking company providing high-quality products to customers across the nation. As they reflect on their consistent leadership and unprecedented growth over the years, they continue to stay humbled and grateful for their success, believing that hope and love are not separate from business, but an integral part of every area of life. As a third-generation company, they have built a reputation for excellence in customer service, innovation, and long-lasting relationships. Everything they produce is from the heart of a craftsman, and their product line exceeds far beyond their traditional fireplace offerings, with heating products, fireplace accessories, shelves, wall systems, range hoods, and cabinetry. Today, the Stoll family consists of more than 80 employees and a network of over 1,200 dealers. They continue their commitment to high standards of quality and craftsmanship with a vision of providing quality products that enhance the spaces where people live, work, and play. Awaken your senses with Stoll at StollIndustries.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.